Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is the foundation that has to be hands down the best available in the market. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Now this foundation is available in 48 shades and it retails for 2900 rupees for 30 ml of product. And the packaging of this bottle is kind of something like this. It has a glass bottle here. It's a very strong glass and it comes with a cap. And this is a pump that I have it here. It does not come with a pump. I purchased this pump separately from Nykaa. This pump retails for about 900 or 950, I'm not sure about that, something around that one. And that is one thing that it should have come with a pump, but nevertheless you can purchase a pump from elsewhere. And when you have a pump on this one, you cannot use a cap. So my cap is somewhere in my vanity bag. And this also comes with a cover here, so there is you won't have the risk of the foundation drying up or spilling around because the cap is kind of firm on this pump. Now the best part about this foundation is it has SPF 15, and SPF 15 it has sunscreen to it. It has this foundation itself has got sun protection, so even if you're missing sunscreen when you're applying foundation, this would cover you up. That's the best part, I think. Now one more amazing thing that I have noticed about MAC Studio Fix foundation is if you have any foundation, be it from L'Oreal, be it from NYX, Maybelline, any brand, that foundation is kind of, if it's dark for you, you can mix this and make it lighter. If it's lighter for you, you can mix this and make it darker, any shade, right? This is one of the best part because MAC Studio Fix foundation mixes and mingles with any foundation and it would turn seamless instantly. You won't even notice that you have mixed two different foundations from different brands. There are a lot of foundations which you from different brands which you cannot mix them together because the formula and consistency is very much different, but this one, hell no, it blends with every foundation in the market. Now let me talk about the texture of this foundation a little bit. I'm going to pour half a pump of this one on my hand and I'll show you guys. Now look at the consistency of this foundation. It's not liquid and it's very creamy, very thick creamy. It's not dripping down, it's very consistent on my hand. And if I blend that for you, then look at this, it's very thick and with medium to full coverage, and that's how thick this foundation would be on your skin. You would barely need anything. That was just one drop that I put on my hand and you can already see the finish of this one. And if I blend it nicely, now look at this. Can you figure out the difference? Of course my hand and my face color is not the same, but can you figure out the finish, that the flawless finish that it comes up with? It has got a very dewy finish, not very dewy, but yeah, kind of. It's not very matte on your skin, and to be honest, I hate the foundations which gives you that matte finish. I really do not like. I want that dewy effect on my skin, and this one does its job right. Now it has a little bit of fragrance to it. It's very mild, not very strong, a little bit of fragrance that every foundation would have it anyway. Otherwise it's gonna sting. It's gonna be irritating a little bit. When I use this foundation, I combine it with my MAC Studio Fix Compact, and when they both are together on your face, trust me when I say this, that it lasts at least 16 to 18 hours without even budging on your face. It will not budge. I have sworn by that. And even if I'm wearing a mask with the Studio Fix Compact and this foundation, I don't get that line that you actually get, when you are wearing a foundation. This one does not budge like that. So when I'm traveling somewhere and the entire day I have to be out of my house, and probably 14 to 15 hours or 12 hours for that matter, this one stays intact until I'm back home without my face oxidizing or getting oily and shiny. It might get a little bit of shiny around my nose area, which everyone would have a little bit of oil peeking through, except for dry skin people that I'm excluding. So that happens a little bit around my nose area, but nowhere else. That is the thing. So it's like one pump of this foundation is going to give you that amazing coverage that you would need, and the coverage is buildable. If you want little more coverage, then you can obviously build up, but do not, I say do not layer your foundation instantly with 2-3 pumps directly on your face. Never do that. Not with this foundation and any other foundation as well. Never start applying that 2-3 pumps instantly on your face. You might end up looking cakey and your face might look like ghost. So yeah, about that, start with one pump, and then wherever you feel that you need a little bit more coverage, like I have a little bit of acne scars here and there a little bit, and I think that my foundation is not covering it much, I'll take a half a pump, a little bit, a tiny bit of this foundation, and I'll apply it and I'll blend it through. Now again, if I need a little bit more of foundation, then I might take a little bit more, but again, remember, the coverage is buildable, so you have to build it gradually and not in one go. Now let's see what MAC has to say about this product. Oil control up to 6 hours, could not agree more. Immediate and 8-hour moisture all day, true. Sweat and humidity resistant, 24 hours of wear. Color true, 24 hours. Non-fading, 24 hours. Non-creasing or non-settling, 24 hours. Non-streaking, 24 hours. Non-caking, 24 hours. Non-poring. Immediately smooth skin's appearance, you're going to see that soon. Broad spectrum UVA, UVB, SPF 15, PA++, and that's what we spoke about when there is sunscreen SPF 15 involved in the foundation. This happens, it protects your skin from UV rays. Smooth skin's appearance, yes. Protects skin from dehydration, I could not agree more on this. Comfortable all day, yeah. Appropriate for all skin types, non-acnegenic, dermatologically tested, oil-free, has to be its MAC. Now when they say about this foundation's color staying true all day, remember that if you wear this without a primer, without a setting spray, or without powdering it, it might oxidize on you like any other foundation if you are an oily skin type. If you are an oily skin person, you have to use a primer or setting spray underneath, or powder your foundation properly, because once your face starts turning oily, your foundation would anyway oxidize on your face. So that is there. So you have to use a primer underneath. I do it all the time. I cannot wear a foundation without a primer. That is a must for me. Now I have done a 12-hour wear test of this foundation, and I'm going to show you guys how it went, how it performed on me. So that's all for my short review on MAC Studio Fix Foundation NC40. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.